What's going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen. Man, first video since 2020 started. I know it's been a minute, but I promise it's worth the wait. Now, before we get started, guys, make sure you're following us on social media, Instagram, Twitter, all that good stuff at We Don't Cook Food. You see it right there on the sticker. Man, it's good to be back. Like I said, I promise it's gonna be worth it. Now, tomorrow I'm gonna be cooking up something extra saucy, extra rare, so I promise you guys are definitely gonna wanna check it out. Make sure you guys are subscribed if you haven't already, but enough of that. You see the vibes, you know why we're here. Man, let's get into this, man. This is the Off-White Jordan 5. Thankful to have hit on it, thankful to have cooked it up. Enough of that, let's get into this. Yeet. Alright guys, so as always, with any of our videos, you can use the boxes as a legit check. You could use the video as a legit check. All of this stuff is always cooked for retail, nothing less. You never know what kind of fake pairs you're getting on StockX. Shots fired. But let's go ahead and run over this box again. So as you can see, already it's a little different. Let's go ahead and hit on this label right here. So as you can see, this is a size 7. Very lucky, very blessed to have hit on it somehow. Not complaining though. As you see, suggested retail $225. Right now, not doing too bad. The day I hit on this on Saturday, literally like a week ago, they were going for like $930, $940 this size, and now they're going for this. So, not too happy about that, but it is what it is. Like I said though, the box itself, pretty fire. You can already see this is kind of different. I'm sure Virgil knew what he was doing when he was making this. Just trying to show you guys the inside right there. But yeah, what have you guys been up to, man? What have you guys been cooking up? Obviously, it's been a little slow, just in general, but we're happy to be back. Got some crazy content coming tomorrow, like I said, so make sure you guys stay tuned. But enough of this box. Let's go ahead and get into this. All right, guys, here we have it. Off-White Jordan 5s, again with the box. Here's a special packaging right here. Honestly, I'm glad that they did this. I'm sick of getting these collaborations and these special editions that are kind of like lazy and low with the effort. Honestly, I think this is a really dope touch, and it makes me that much more excited for the sneakers. As you guys can see, they're right there. Let's get into it. Yee! Wow, man. First impressions, bussin'. This lighting right now is great, so you guys can really see all the material. There's that quality control for you, but we can live with that. What do you guys think, man? Honestly, not gonna complain. Again, super happy to have hit on them, but enough of that. Let's dive in and see what you guys are thinking. guys, so as this comes to a close, I just wanted to go ahead and touch on a few points now. This tongue is actually 3M and reflective, so if it gets hit with the light, it will be reflecting, of course. Here is the, of course, iconic zip tie. Let me know in the comments, would you actually wear these with the zip tie on, or would you take them off like most people do? Personally though, my final thoughts, you could say, whoops, that was the camera lens. I think that they're pretty fire. I mean, I was really excited to see another Virgil collab after not hearing anything about them for so long. And I'm kind of underwhelmed with how the resale is going personally. I think that these are probably best to just dump right now. Maybe in a year's time, you know, they'll be up. It's just the market's been kind of trending downwards with a lot of stuff. You could see it with like the most recent dunks. And so, I don't know. What would you guys do? Would you sit on them? Would you hold them? Let me know in the comments, man. I'm really thankful that we were able to hit on these and cook them up. I mean, overall, like I said, I think this is a really fire sneaker. I love the 5s. Virgil definitely added his own little touch to them, and I'm happy that he did. But as always, let us know in the comments what you guys think. Were you able to cop a pair? Did you cook them up? And what kind of laces would you wear with them? Thank you guys for cooking with us as always. Stay safe and take it easy. Peace.